Start of second quarter. Game time. For three, wala. Rebound by Atay. Foul by number 20. First personal foul. Personal foul. Still by David. David pass again. Out of bounds. Substitution. 21. Kay Atay. Substitution. Makukobi. Okay. Let's go, boys. Number 2. Oh, 21. Jagat go good. Rebound by number 9. Pass ay David. Back isa na. Yes, sir. Kaya by David. 25. Batan. Crossover. Sumasaka. Yes, sir! Easy 2 points by Sir Batan, number 25. Ako! Ay, kapapasok ka mo nila ito ah. Oh! Rebound din kay Ako. Pass kay David. Open by shot. Wala! Rebound by number 2. Batan for 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. David. David. Wala pa rin. Batan. Nice crossover, sir. No good. Red for the rebound. Red Dawaduan! Ang dami na ulit sa isang takbong pumapasok. Number 21, hook shot. Wala. Sakyan, number 3. Wala. Rebound by 20, Red. David. David. Wala pa rin. Number 2. Saksak. Pull up. Yes, sir. Time out by Makokobi. Score natin 80-12. In favor of Takbo. Hindi kami sila tulungan mo naman ang mga-house, sir. Nice run by Blue Whale. Time remaining 7 minutes, 5 seconds. Score 18-12. Red. Pasa. Rebo. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Costillo. Foul. Foul number 23. Open 3. Yes, sir. 3 points by number 2. Number 9 working. Wala. Rebound by number 21. Batan. Batan for long three. Munti ka na. Outbound. Substitution by number 2. Score natin 19-15. Wait, for 3. Wala. Outbound. It's black ball. Substitution. Takbo ball. Okay, nandito na si Smart. Number 8. The space for team. Go good. Rebound by Bahan. Bahan. Jump shot. Go good. Rebound by the space. Pass kay Pao. Pao ng salam. Sinasakot. And one. Foul by number 21. First personal foul. First foul. Substitution ng Pogi. Score 21-15. Number 3, pass by number 2. Scarlett, jump shot, baseline. Yes, sir. Easy 2 points by number 2. Foul. Pass kay Simpson. Wala. Loose ball. Steal by Bahan. Nice. Steal by Nebo. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Shot clock 16 seconds. Nice play. Foul. Foul by number 11. Simpson. First personal foul. Third team foul. Para sa takbong Pogi. Wala pumasok. Rebound by Pao. Wait. Sumaksa. Yes, sir. Ay, nakapas. Rebound by Tay. Nice play. Pero, nakuha kay Pambu. Bahan. Yes, sir. Pakipinang na si Sir Bahan. Tay. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound by number 2. Sir Bahan. Handing the ball. Set up one. Open for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points by number 2. Valoroso. Labang na. Blue Voyagers. 22-21. Wait, pass by Nebo, sinaksak, is a traveling violation by number 22. Three, 10 seconds. Dapat man, bumita naman, Scarlett for the rebound. Scarlett for three. No good. No rebound, back to the space. Pass by Wade. Sakto serve. Point by Wade. Bata, ginagawa Scarlett, 10 seconds. Nice pass. Nice feed by Nico. Wait. Salam. Wait. Yes, sir. 25-32 ang score. 2 minutes remaining. Scarlett. Binabawa. Binabawa. Double dribble by Scarlett. Substitution. Not composed. Come from this. Go. Tie for three. No good. Rebound by Season. Foul. Hand the ball. Oops. It's a foul by number 9. First personal foul. 17 foul. 97 remaining before the end of the second quarter. 22. Pass by 5. Oops. Is a traveling violation by Dr. Malone. Pass high, 28, wala. Rebound by 28, wala. Scarlett is a foul by number 32. First personal foul. 14 foul na ang nagpong. Patas to the baseline is Ayam. Steve by Fred. Foul. Now, he's laying up by 55. 41 seconds. Oh, Steve by foul. Wow! Ay! Oh! Rebound by 9. Ay, wala pa rin. Rebound by 9 ulit. Yes. Ay, wala pa rin. Ay, nako. It's a foul. By number 9. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Start foul na lang peluan. Okay, 1-8 shot. 1-31. Tapos, oops. Okay, screen ball. Leg violation para sa tatlong code. Number 9. Grabe naman, double layup by number 9. 15 seconds remaining. Foul. Oops. Nag-foul pa. It's a penalty natin. Di ba? Number 9, personal foul, 14 foul. Wala pang penalty. 14 foul. 10 seconds. 10 seconds remaining. Time. Foul. Nico. Wala. Foul for 3. Wala pa rin. Up. Time. Half time. 2024. Apatang kalangan na takbong